Hello traders, if you have been struggling with a strategy, like you have been trying different strategy to approach the market, this video is for people trading boom and crash, volatility index, and other derivative markets. You are tired of trying different strategies, not working out as you want. This video is for you. My name is Akinola Kini. I'm the lead instructor from KineFX Academy. Welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button because this is a beginner friendly channel. All you need to succeed in your trading journey, you will find it in this channel. We make things simple. All our video is very simple. So, and if you are returning subscriber, please like and share this video. So this is Boom 50, and Boom 50 is one of the, I don't know how to put it, but it is it is different from Boom 1000 or the Crash 1000. So the movement of the market is very similar to volatility in another forex pair. So if you are trading this particular market, there's these three things you must know very well. I'm going to explain everything in this video. That is why you have to stick to the end of this video and don't try to skip any part. So what is that? Let me quickly explain those things for you. The first thing to know is the market structure. And we all know what market structure is. If you don't know what market structure is, just listen attentively. This is market structure. Market structure means market movement. So market, if market is in uptrend, it keep creating higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. And if the market is in downtrend, it keep creating lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high, lower low and lower high. This is called market structure. You understand? So the second thing to know is liquidity. What are liquidity? I said this is where markets move. Higher, higher, low, higher, low, higher. There's something pushing the market. That is the liquidity. You understand? People keep buying at this level. They keep buying at this level. They keep buying at all this level are the liquidity. There are some people trying to sell, hoping the market will go down from this level. These are also liquidity. You understand? So these are the simple way. Sometimes you see liquidity in this form. Maybe market tries to consolidating, so there is no buyer, there is no seller, or like tug of war. So this also a liquidity. So then the third thing is Fibonacci retracement. I know this is not your first time hearing Fibonacci tools. Fibonacci tools is one of the very popular tools in trading for technical analysis. So we use it to measure the sequence of retracement. So how do you get your Fibonacci tools on this particular app? You tap on this level, on this sign. So if you have not used it before, just click on this plus sign here. Once you click on the plus sign, you scroll down, see your Fibonacci retracements, you click on it. So you put it on the chart. So what are we going to need it for now? Just listen. Now we don't need all these numbers on this Fibonacci, so we have to edit it. You just click on this pencil sign here, then levels come to levels. This is level here. Click on this pencil sign. We want to edit it, so we don't need all these numbers. We only need like 3 numbers. So we have to delete this, delete this, delete this, leave this, delete this, leave this, delete this, delete this, and leave this. Click on delete, then go back and click on save. So this is what we need. Now with what we have explaining, liquidity and structure, let's go back to the market. Before we go back to the market, let me illustrate the strategy for you. Let's assume the market is in uptrend like this. Market is going, the market is going. I want to buy. We are waiting for where the liquidity has been taken out. No, I told you that this is the liquidity, this is the liquidity. Now, let's say you now get a retracement that clear this liquidity, then the candle close back inside this structure. That is where we are looking for buy. But before this sweep can be valid is when we bring out our Fibonacci tools and make sure that this sweep fall below the 50 level if you are buying. If you are selling, it is above the 50 level, but if you are buying, it is below the 50 level. Now, don't get confused. Let's go to the chart. So this is the what does it call? Boom 50, right? So now I think we have a very practical example here. I think we have a live trade here. So you can see if you want to catch spike, you can see there is this structure. There is this structure here that is going up. You can see this is a so, and the market come back to clear this liquidity. The market come to clear this liquidity here. You understand? You can see the sweep, the minor sweep. You can see it, right? So, and the market, the price close back inside this structure. That means we are having a buy here. We're having a buy. Let me just buy. You understand? Let's see how it will goes. You can see immediately I buy, the spike happen because the sweep has already happened. So the market will continue jumping up. So and one thing, sorry, I didn't confirm that before buying, but I've used eye to judge it. So you have to bring out my Fibonacci tools, measure it from year to year. You can see that the sweep fall below the 50 level. It's fall below the 50 level, which make it valid for me. That is why I enter the buy. You understand? If we scroll back to look for some, the one good thing about this strategy is that it's good for both buying and selling. It's good for both buying and selling. Let me look for like one more example, then we are good to go. Let me look for one example like this one. Now this is a sweep also, but it doesn't fall into the 50 level of Fibonacci. You understand? Your stop loss will be below this level, and you can target any one you want. You know the retracement is coming by the CBA spike. So let me look for another example. So there's a lot of example I've seen before starting this video, because it's something that happens almost every time in the market. Almost every time in the market. You should have seen some. Let me calm down. Okay, as you can see that it happens here. If you bring out your Fibonacci tools and place it this level, you can see that there is a sweep at this level here, and the candle closed above. So we'll have just buy at this level. Then you can see how the spike move on. You understand? This strategy can be rated around 60 to 70% swing rate. You understand? So you hit stop loss, that is certain. There's no 100% strategy. If that is what you are looking for, you can't get it. You will certainly hit stop loss. That is sure. That is sure. So another one I see here now. Okay, here is another one. I think this is not. There is no sweep here. Almost sweep that the market go. So if you are the type that take risk, you will have cashed that. Another thing, you have to make sure that the structure is following trend. You can see this is another one here. This is another one here. It's a very clear sweep. The one we even took is not a clear sweep. That is why it the stop loss. So let's bring out. You can see this is a clear structure. You can see the market is creating higher low, higher low. Then it's form a liquidity at this level. So if we bring out our Fibonacci tools, place it here and end here, you will see that here is the liquidity sweep and it's below the level 50. You understand? So you will have enter for your buy at this level, at this close of this candle, then your stop loss here. Target anywhere you like. You can see you will have take enough from the market. All this here, you'll have catch the spike all the way to this level. This is more than one, it's more than 1:4. You understand? So this is how it works. You can go to your chart and look and also watch out for the strategy yourself. You understand? So it works very well. And one of the best thing about this strategy is that it works in all time frames. All time frames. So the next video I'm going to drop is be on the crash. So now you can trade it on the crash. It's just the other way around, but I'm going to drop the strategy. So if you find this video helpful, like and share, subscribe and on your notification bell so that you don't miss any video on this channel. I wish you happy trading and always trade responsible.